Should have quit this long ago. Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be completing a review slash makeup look on the new Jefree Star Jawbreaker palette, which is this baby right here. It retails for about $58, and these are the shades. So if you would like to see how I complete this look, then keep on watching. But first, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bar. That way you can know when I upload a new video. So my review on this palette would be, I would say if you're not into bright colors or a lot of mattes, then I would suggest not to get the palette. But if you are into colorful shades, I mean, I think it's a very beautiful palette. You could create some natural looks out of this, you know, using the ones down here, this one right here, this pink, even the purples and the orange. I mean, you could still get somewhat of a natural, like, pop of colored look from it. I will say some of the neon tones, like the one that I'm wearing, which is FUCK, that one was a little bit patchy, and it took some layering to really get it on there. It is pigmented. It's just that if you're not layering with the correct bases, or, you know, just to build that intensity so that you don't see the patchiness, it takes a little bit more work. So if you don't want to do that extra step in getting it to work, then this palette might not be for you. But all of the shades are very pigmented. It's just a matter of knowing how to build up that shade or to minimize the patchiness with some of the colors. There's a few shimmers. There's what, 5? No, I'm lying. There's 7 shimmers, and the rest are matte. So I mean, it's a pretty good palette. I don't have anything in my stash like this, so that's when I went ahead and purchased this palette. It's my first Jefree Star palette. I mean, as him as a person, I don't really care for, but his palette, you know, I've heard great reviews about the pigmentation and his products, so I took it upon myself to go ahead and try out his new Jawbreaker palette just to give it a try and base my own opinion. So definitely, if you're into those colors and, you know, with summertime, color is in, then by all means go ahead and get that palette. It's $58 at Morphe, or if you go to his website. And yeah, this is how I created this beautiful look today. I am wearing my lashes in Drama. So if you would like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is at Shauna326, and at SLRbeauty_ is my beauty page. You can also find these lashes on my website, slrbeauty.com. And then my wonderful earrings are from Kiss My Jewels. You could go to their Instagram shop, Kiss My Jewels, and you could use my discount code LoveShauna to save 15% off, and that link would be listed down below. So I hope you guys enjoy my mini review, and just keep watching to see how I created this look. Bye guys. Okay guys, so don't mind my skin. My skin is looking very crazy these days. I've been breaking out like crazy. But I already did my eyebrows off camera. I put on the P. Louise Rumor 2 shadow base. And I'm just going in with bubblegum, and I forgot the other name that I used. But I'm using a 217 brush, which is a blending brush. And I'm doing like a halo effect type of eye. I'm using the P. Louise base to go ahead and make another layer of that, and I'm going in with FUCK shadow, and then I'm using my lashes in Drama today, and I'm also using the Fenty primer as my base, And the Frisali, I think that's a unicorn. I'm just putting it in certain areas of my face and patting that in as well. And I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This one is a little bit lighter, so I did mix it with NC50 Select Cover Up Concealer from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm just blending that in with the Juno & Co. Beauty Blender. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place new concealers. I believe this one is number 10. And I'm also mixing it with the Fenty Beauty 330 concealer, just to lighten it up a little bit. Then we're just blending that out. Next, I'm using Truffle by Fenty Beauty just to kind of contour my face a little bit. Don't mind the misblending that I did right there. Yeah. The lighting, me trying to do these videos sometimes, I don't catch everything on camera. But trust and believe, I did fix it. So I'm just going down my nose with the truffle and around the perimeter of my face. Then I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm using Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty, and I'm just using that to go over where I just contoured, just to kind of bronze up my face a little bit. And then I'm using that lighter pink shade as a pop of color in my inner tear duct. And I'm using Whistle While You Work as far as the blush. That's the SHAYLA and ColourPop collection. Then I'm using the Dewy Wet by Danessa Myricks. And I'm setting everything with the Morphe setting spray. The highlighter that I'm using is by MAC in Extra Dimension. And then I'm just using BFF4 and OOUUU by SHAYLA Collection for my lips. On the way of being long gone. Time to wake up, time